I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. A lot of singers ask me how they can strengthen their voices. Today, we're going to do some vocal warm-ups and exercises that focus on just that. Consistent practice is important, and I'd recommend singing a little each day if you can. This is a bit of a vocal workout that can also serve as a warm-up. But if you want something that's a little more gentle, check out one of my more relaxing playlists. Check in for just a moment with your alignment and breathing. Make sure that you feel balanced and relaxed. Take a couple of low, slow breaths and gently sigh out. We're going to start on a semi-occluded sound like give it a try. Into a bright and efficient sound, we're going to sing on EA, like EA. Make sure that we don't develop too much tension in the jaw as we do this. This next vocal exercise will work on breath and phonation coordination. We're going to sing a staccato E, like E, 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 E. You can focus on making all of these glottal, like E, 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 or balanced, like E, E, E. It just works on slightly different things. Either way, keep breathing low and we'll work on coordinating the breath and onset. Here we go. E, 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 E. I have published a mobile app for singers that is full of some of my best vocal warm-ups and exercises. It's available on the app and the Google Play stores. It is commercial free and it has an option to save your favorites for offline use. I update it regularly with new playlists and I hope you'll check it out. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen and the link is below. Now we're going to focus on sustained breath as well as register shift and flexibility as we sing on he-ah, like he-ah, he-ah. breath smooth so that we're not pulsing the air. Here we go. Now we'll do an exercise that covers a bit more range that will also keep the voice strong and agile. It sounds like this. At the end, we can gently glide through those intervals. I, e, I, e. Here we go. Now we're going to work on a bit more coordination while also keeping the larynx in a neutral and relaxed position. We're going to sing on g, 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 like g, 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 Let's relax now and think of sighing as we sing on the sounds sa, la, sa, like sa, la, sa, la, sa, sa, la, sa, la, sa, sa, la, sa, la, sa, sa, la, sa, nice supported and round coo, coo, coo. Like coo, 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 coo. With this, we want the breath, the diction, and the phonation to all coordinate well. Here we go on coo. Finally, we're going to start with a lip trill, and then repeat the exercise on a more open sound, like Go ahead and take a breath in between and make sure the focus is on using steady airflow. We'll cover a pretty wide range on this. Here we go. Great job! If you're enjoying my videos, I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and check out my Vocal Warmup app as well. Keep singing, let's do it again soon.